Hello and welcome to your Let's Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here, bringing you a quick walk around video of this lovely 420 diesel Gran Coupe we've had in. It's a 2016 66 reg, it's a one-owner vehicle, 6-speed manual. Purpose of the video is to help you make an informed buying decision. So let's take a look around. Xenon headlights at the front. It's a carbon black metallic vehicle, which is definitely carbon black. It does come up with a tint of blue in the light as it is here, but it's definitely a black car. Gloss black styling kit, of course, all fitted in-house. 20-inch competition style 666M style wheels with brand new tyres just fitted. Very tidy bodywork. Being the Gran Coupe, it does have a huge boot which we'll take a look at. Electric tailgate, split folding seats. We've got the original mats there for you as well. Gloss black rear diffuser edition. Gloss black spoiler. It does have the badge on it. We can debadge it for you free of charge, no problem. Privacy glass is also an option if you'd like that, please ask. Covered 32,000 miles from one owner. Let's take a look at the interior. All electric windows, electric mirrors, black Dakota leather. So rear seats, Isofix rear bench, 3 seat belts, professional widescreen navigation system. Next service due in 14,000 miles there. Heated front seats with digital climate control, cruise control, automatic lights. This one also benefits from having a reversing camera. Physically in stock, ready to drive away. Any questions or a part exchange quote, please ask. This is available for HB and PCP. You can apply on our website. We have a range of lenders to choose from. Thank you very much for watching. Keep safe.